Hey everyone! Today I'm tackling one of the hottest topics in the digital world right now, why the Supreme Court might ban TikTok in the US. Yep, you heard that right, so let's dive into it. First off, TikTok has been a sensation, right? With over 1 billion users globally and millions in the US alone, it's no wonder it's become a staple of social media. But with great popularity comes great scrutiny. The US government has been eyeing TikTok for years, citing national security concerns. But how did we get to the point where the Supreme Court is involved? Let's rewind a bit. In 2020, the Trump administration tried to ban TikTok, claiming that user data could be handed over to the Chinese government. They issued executive orders to force a sale to an American company. But legal battles ensued and those efforts stalled. Fast forward to today. The Biden administration has continued to express concerns over TikTok's data practices. And now, multiple states are filing lawsuits to ban the app. This has inevitably led to the Supreme Court stepping in to decide whether these bans are constitutional or not. So, what's the big deal? Well, the argument centers around the First Amendment, freedom of speech and expression. TikTok's lawyers argue that banning the app would be a violation of users' rights to share and consume content freely. On the flip side, proponents of the ban argue that national security trumps these rights, especially if there's a credible threat. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Supreme Court's decision will set a precedent for how the US handles foreign apps and data privacy going forward. If they rule against TikTok, it could lead to more stringent regulations on other foreign apps and services. This isn't just about TikTok, it's about the future of digital privacy and security in a globally connected world. So what should you do in the meantime? Stay informed, folks. Keep an eye on the news and maybe start thinking about how you'd feel if TikTok were no longer available. Whether you're a creator or just a casual scroller, this decision could impact you more than you think. Alright, that's a wrap for today's deep dive. Thanks for sticking around and make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this and other social media news. Catch you in the next one. Peace. But before we go, let's take a moment to consider the broader implications. The debate over TikTok is not just about one app, it's a microcosm of a larger conversation about digital sovereignty and the control of information. Countries around the world are grappling with how to protect their citizens' data while fostering innovation and connectivity. The outcome of this case could influence international policies and set a global standard for how digital platforms operate. So, as we await the Supreme Court's decision, it's crucial to stay engaged and informed about these issues. After all, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and what happens today will shape the future of our online world. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.